shalom. Before I get started washing the dishes, I'm going to show you our water jugs that we have down here. We just take one of these water jugs and we pour it in this funnel right here. And so as you can see, we have something called a shower bag, and it fills up the water. You can see where the water is filled up back here. Where exactly did you put this from?
They're about $8 or $9 at Walmart.
At Walmart. So yeah. Okay. So basically, you just turn this on, switch on, and as you see, the water comes out. And what I basically do is like, actually, I don't leave it running the whole time, because if I do that, like, all the water just gonna come out. You're gonna run out of water. So wash it. I let it run a little bit, and then I take the dish soap and I go ahead and just start scraping the dish. Sometimes I do, like, I scrape a few dishes at a time, and then I go ahead and rinse. But for this video, I'm just gonna do this one dish, because, like, you know, I'm not used to being on camera. Like, so I'm just
Don't be shy, baby.
Yeah, so, I'm rinsing out this bowl, as you can see. I mean, you know, I know everybody knows how to wash a dish, but just showing you like how the shower bag works. And then turn it off, because you don't want, once again, you don't want to keep it running, because the water will run out. And we just put it right here on this towel, and then, you know, I go ahead and do the next dish like this. Once again, you see I'm not leaving the water running, because you have to save as much water as you can, since you don't have running
water.
Running water, yeah. So I'll turn this back on, and then I'm just rinsing it out here, and turn it off. And you kind of got to be quick, because the water does go pretty fast. And I'm just going to stop right here, but usually, like, when I get done with all the dishes, I take this tub and I, like, just pour it out, the water out in the ground. And that's pretty much it. That's basically how we wash dishes with our shower bag. Okay, thank you for watching, and shalom.